Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Let's see which stocks will be trading tomorrow and what's the logic behind it. So, the first stock is Tata Chemicals. Now, if you see from here around 320, it has already reached more than 3 520 level. Okay. So, it was a stretch move within just 15 days. Yeah, you can say nearby a 15 to 20 days move. It was around 200 points for a very small stock. If you see almost the move, if you see it is more than 70% move it has already given. Now, if you see from here to here, it was consistently bullish candles. Yeah, these small candles were there, but here the move was not that big. But now, if you see, there is a big wig, and then also a negative candle that's supporting. So now in tomorrow's session, if it breaks this 509 or 508 level, then it can give a good 5 to 10 points within no time. So this will be our selling call for tomorrow. Next one is Jindal Steel. Now, if you see Jindal Steel, it is moving in a very steep direction. Yes, Tata Chemicals also was very steep. Even this is moving in a steep direction. Now, if you see after this move, after negative candle, even this candle has formed, and it's a big candle for this small stock. Now, if it breaks the trend line again, it can give a good move, because next support which it is somewhere nearby 520. So nearby 10 points we can get. Maybe not in tomorrow session completely 10 points, but in 2 days, yes, we can get 10 points if the move is in our side. So this will be a next sell pick. Now let's move to the buying picks. So the first one on the buying side is Colgate. Now, if you see after this big fall, when the market had crashed during the COVID situation, now from here again back on the top, if you see, it recovered within no time, within a month. Okay, it went for whatever it was at the previous levels. Now after that, again it came back, and now it was consolidating from a lot of, I mean, many days. Now again, if you see, it has again multiple touch points. It has been testing, the low has been shifting up. So if it breaks this time here, it can easily capture 1700 level within no time. From this to 1700 level, yes, not in tomorrow session. In tomorrow session we can still capture some 40 points, what I expect, if it breaks properly. And on a swing basis, it can give us around nearby 1700 level very easily, because its all-time high will be taken out, because all the other stocks are moving towards that. So I expect it should move like this. Now, next one is Infosys. Infosys, if you see, it has been in a range for a month almost. This range, if you see this range, now it has been trying to break it, because even if you see, the low has been shifting slightly up. Now, if it is trying to break, and if it breaks this time again, it might reach a good level, and it can give us good points in tomorrow session for the buying. Okay, next one is TCS. If you see TCS, again same, it was trying to break this level in from last 1 month. Now it has broken it, and it is nearby 2800. So now, if 2800 is again taken out in tomorrow session, it can give again a good move in our direction. For the levels where the entry has to be taken, where the exit has to be there, you can check our Telegram channel, wherein we provide the levels. The link is provided in the description below. So the next stock is ACC. Now, if you see ACC, this level which the line which you see, this level was a good support level for it from long time. Okay, once it again left it, it came back, it left again, it came back, and now after this wig, it has formed a good green candle. If in tomorrow session it starts to go up, it can give us level above 1700. So this is a good pick for tomorrow on the buying side. Okay, now let's see what we will do on the indexes. It is very interesting here. Now, what is more important to understand, if you see after all these moves here, on almost for the first time, yes, it is little bit on the bullish side, the wig is big, but it is still an indecisive candle. The buyers and the sellers cannot decide which side to go now. were not able to decide. So now what can we do? At this point, tomorrow I have a view to sell. If you see, it has closed nearby 92. Okay. So nearby, if you say around 13,400. Okay. And if you see, here will be our SL 20 points. With 20 points of SL, we can see that we have a room of at least 80 points to capture, at least 70 to 80 points. So this will be a good pick to sell. I will not buy because already market has overstretched. Yes, if there is a price action, maybe I might consider, but at this stage, no. I am still willing to sell if the market opens flat around this level and then it goes down. Even if it opens gap up, I will still wait for a negative price action to sell. Okay. So next one is Bank Nifty. Now, Bank Nifty, if you see in, okay, one more point to see Nifty. If you see Nifty after this fall, big fall, it has recovered and it made again a new all-time high. Okay, but in Bank Nifty, after this fall, it consolidated within this candle. Now it has broke. But one thing which you have to note is this move which it has got in just few days, it has to consolidate somewhere. Okay, so now two things can happen. One, either Bank Nifty will pump up, it will go up directly, shoot up, or Bank Nifty will stay at this point, or it will go a little bit sideways or slightly negative, and Nifty will correct itself. So there are two possibilities. I am expecting a slight correction in Nifty before again a fresh rally. So we can expect a correction at this point. Okay, so this is the plan for tomorrow. If you like the video, if you have understood the logic behind it, please do subscribe the channel and share it to your friends, because if everyone learns, everyone will grow. Thank you.